Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add the product to your wishlist on the Goat application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, you should tap on the search button down below or to the home button or styles button to select the product that you are looking for. Here you can choose from categories and you can also apply filters in order to narrow down your search. And after finding the product that you want to save for later and add to your wants, tap on the one button in the upper right corner of the screen. And after that, you should select your size and tap on the add to wants button down below, and as you can see it has been added to the wants section. If you tap on the profile button down below and click on wants at the top, here all the items will appear. So if you want to get rid of it, just tap on the edit button and click on delete, so it will be deleted from your list. That's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.